1975 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. She got the stock 500 cubic inch, 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Y'all know the Cadillac Eldorados of the 70s are front wheel drive. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And the trunk is automatic latching. Interior's in great shape. She got power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Back seat in good condition. Convertible top functions as it should. Upper dash has 2 cracks in it. Lower. Engine bay is nice and stock. She got the 500 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. This is the biggest displacement engine put in a production car. And if you look right here, this is one of the ways you can tell that it's front wheel drive by the transaxle right there. Another way is to get up under there and of course see it's not a drive shaft going to the back. Let's start her up. She reads a little over 65,000. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Y'all have a good one.